show you just when you're planting things out, you have to bear in mind how big these things are going to get. That's a nice leek from last year's growing. So I'm going to take you over now to a pot where I'm going to sow some leeks. But there's the pot that the new leeks are going to go in. And at this stage, the leeks are so small, hard to imagine they're going to grow into this. Now the temptation, when you see these small seedlings, and a pot this size, you would think, oh yes, we can plant 4, 5, or even 6. But you've got to remind yourself, this is what we're aiming for. Now, and I'm saying now, looking at this, if you plant 3 in there, which is what I'm going to do, if they turn out like this, it'll be quite ambitious. But we'll see what happens.